So I tried this before, and I couldn't get it. But I've been practicing for like this month or 2 or 3, and you know what I mean? But before I start this shit, I got shirts for sale, feel me? I'm gonna have my shirts by this week. I know I've been slacking about it, but you know what I mean? It's slow, and y'all know my saying says from the bottom of my heart, suck my, you know what I mean? But anyways, let me get this shit going. I got this, I promise. Oh! 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 Súmala la mala, la mala, los motores. Súmala la bala, la mala, con los motores. Súmala la bala, la mala, con los motores. Súmala la mala, duro. 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 Yeah. Duro. Me la encanta, me la a ella le gusta la gasolina. Dale la gasolina, a ella le encanta la gasolina. Dale más gasolina. What?
You sound stupid as hell.
Nigga, I sound like fucking Daddy Yankee, my nigga.
No, you don't.
I sound like Daddy Yankee, nigga. 1, 2, 3, duro. Get the fuck out. La gasolina, dale más gasolina, le canta la gasolina, dale más gasolina, gasolina, no disquima, no se pena la pari de masquicina, quina, lucen bien a que esa la sombricanina, la cina, me domina.
Shut up!
Can you stop fucking bothering me while I'm making this fucking video?
Yeah, I'm trying to watch my TV. Shut
I
up!
don't give a fuck, my nigga. I don't
Y'all
care.
bitch right next to
A
mine.
ella le gusta la gasolina, nigga.
A ella le gusta la gasolina.
Rum, nigga, get the fuck out of my room. How about that one? A ella le gusta rum, rum, rum.
Bitch ass.
Fuck, yo. Zina, coquina. It's my shit. It's my fucking song. Le gusta la gasolina. Dale la gasolina. Le canta la gasolina. You know what? I'm having a seizure. I can't fucking do this. Every time I try to make a fucking video, you always on my dick. Get off my dick. Get off my dick.
Thought you sounded
And from the bottom of my heart, if you don't like my motherfucking video, suck my